I'm in my married woman era. So it is my bachelorette weekend. We're gonna have some adventures from Saturday into Sunday, and I have absolutely no idea what it's gonna look like. I am getting ready this morning, but I left all of my makeup and all of my hair care in Wareham. So thankfully the girls are gonna come in clutch, and I will have to get ready at one of their houses after I get dressed. So here's the final look. This is a Perfect Wear set from Perfect Wear on Newbury Street. It has pearl detail and pearl buttons here. It is a set, so the mini skirt and the top do come together. I've had this since my birthday, and I have not worn the jacket yet because I was actually waiting for my bachelorette, so I'm so excited. And then I got these shoes from Etsy, from a Turkish handmade shoe store. I got these ones, and then another pair for the actual wedding. I'll put the link down below so you guys can check them out. But yeah, very excited.
I forgot I told her.
I'm scared.
Oh.
It's America.
Your outfit is amazing.
Thank you. It's from Perfect Wear Boston on Newbury Street.
Oh.
What? I love it there.
Tell me more.
Everything's directly from Brazil.
Wow.
Exclusive quantities. This is the only one in my size in the U.S. Cute.
Essentially.
You're trying to block her. She's my hero. Welcome to the rest of your bachelorette.
Yo! What? That's adorable. She also changed.
Yeah.
I like that outfit change. So cute. And the smiles.
Oh yeah.
Of course! I'm so glad. Anyone else sorry? You'll see them soon enough.
Thanks for choosing our home for your stay. That's very sweet of them.
You hope it's what?
Food. Always I hope for food. It is! Cookies! Wow, that is so sweet of them.
Isn't it?
And they look very delicious.
Yeah.
See the cookies?
I wanted to have one, but I.
Were you waiting?
Yeah.
They look delightful. Delightful. So sweet. Literally. Cute. I'm scared. Oh, wow.
Be a little scared.
Honestly though,
For your wedding.
very delicate and sweet. Not too like straps you don't know what to do.
Well.
Yeah, this is how you can crop anything out you want.
This is for the photo. Yeah, let's do it.
And your Brazilian cut.
I use my thumb, right?
I think so. Don't look so scared while doing it for the video.
Don't look scared. I am scared. Jess, how do I do this?
them off. Yeah, twist it a little bit.
I look afraid.
I'm moving this out of the way.
Where did it go?
It went in the yard.
It's like
Morning, everyone. I woke up at like 7:30 after going to bed. Probably 1, maybe 1:30, around there. I don't know why I woke up at 7:30, but I made my coffee while quietly evading people sleeping in the living room. So this Airbnb is like, don't get me wrong, but the details they've provided are very cute. Like, I forgot toothbrush, I forgot deodorant, I forgot everything. And they actually have like, those like travel size for the guests, which I was like, that is so cute. And they also have black makeup because they don't want to ruin their white towels. Totally get at my dad when he does rentals, he just like bleaches everything. I don't know if bleach even can get like eyeliner off. I don't know, but he just like super dumps bleach to clean white things, all the sheets and all the towels. They provided black makeup, so I'm like, oh, this is so clever. Shampoo, conditioner in the shower, coffee available, all the different types of sugars available. They left us a gift saying thank you for staying with them. So even if the place is like a little old, if the hosts are wonderful